dye in Doritos can make mice transparent, is what they're saying is. So what they're doing, they take this dye and they put it into mice, and they can see how their organs are working. It dyes their organs red, and they're able to see what is happening inside the mouse. Here's the dye. It's got yellow number 5 and all the different kinds. They can stick that inside of a mouse, and the mouse gets invisible. Look how disgusting this is. But don't forget, it's not red because of blood, okay? This is a living mouse that they are torturing by injecting the red dye found in Doritos into the mouse to turn them transparent so they can look at their organs working through their skin. Isn't that amazing? A non invasive and reversible approach achieves tissue transparency, allowing visibility of living organs in a healthy rodent with red dyes. Note the redness in the images comes from dyes, not blood. Oh, well, that makes it all better. So far, scientists behind the new discovery have used the method to see the organs in a mouse's intact abdomen, glimpse of the pulsing vessels surrounding the rodent's skull, and to get an exceptionally clear view of muscle tissues through a microscope. Ain't that great? With further safety and efficacy research, the method may spur new scientific findings, boost microscopy, advances, and improve medical diagnoses. Wow. The tetrazine, number 5, tartrazine, also known as yellow 5, turn biological tissue transparent to the naked eye. It's like an invisible man they can just do. It's incredible, isn't it? Biological tissues and skin are usually not see-through because light gets scattered as it passes through them. So this doesn't scatter the light. Matrix of different materials, mostly water and fats, and these two types of compounds refract light as different angles, and a light particle or photon traveling through tissue under normal circumstances move from water particle to ipid particle being bounced around. Look at this. They can see the little heart beating. Isn't that disgusting? Here's the thing, though. Something that you should remember is that mice don't want you to inject yellow 5 into their bodies. Mice don't belong to you, but we bred them for this. Yeah, you bred them to torture. It's wrong. Mice don't belong to us to experiment on. What gives you the right to destroy them? Quit with your hierarchical thinking. This is the psychology of authoritarianism, that you think that because you're so powerful and so smart that you could take the dye that we use to create orange snacks, we inject it into an animal so that you can take a little peekaboo at their organs. It's disgusting. How dare you? How dare you destroy an animal so that you can take a little peek at their organs? You have no right. That animal has not consented to this. Animals do not consent to being tortured. Animals do not consent to anything because they can't. They can't consent. We've taken them, we've destroyed what makes them them, and then we completely just ignore their individuality and their desires and just the fact that they want to be left alone. It's a horrific thing that human beings do, and they're touting it as this amazing, look at this amazing breakthrough. What an amazing breakthrough. We took Doritos and we injected them into a mouse so that we can see through their bellies. Oh, Bartleby, oh, humanity. It's fucking disgusting. This all the hope I have for humanity is dashed when I see what we're still doing to animals. It's disgusting. It's a disgrace. It literally takes away from everything that's good about the human being. How can we be human if we can't even be humane? Animals don't belong to us. Stop using them. It's quite a simple concept. Stop being a Nazi. Only a Nazi Dr. Mengele freak job would do something like this. Oh, Bartleby. Oh, humanity.